We believe now that the FBI has arrested the person who they suspect is behind the leaks of these documents. His name is Jack Teixeira, 21-year-old member of the Massachusetts Air National Guard. There are some pictures there coming in, I believe, showing some of the law enforcement activity there at the family home in Massachusetts where the arrest was made. This is now obviously in the hands of, there you see the pictures of someone who is being, we believe, to be Teixeira, who is being taken into custody. The FBI was preparing to do this. They had hoped to have a little more time as part of this investigation, but the identity of this person was made public by some of the news media reports in the New York Times and of course the Washington Post, which has been doing a lot of reporting on this over the last few days, reported on his identity. So I'm told by sources that the investigation kind of accelerated as a result of his identity becoming public. So now we expect that he's going to be taken to a federal court there in Massachusetts, in Boston, where the procedure will begin to remove him and bring him down to the Washington, D.C. area, where we expect that the charges are going to be filed for his connection to the leaking of these documents. At this point, there's not a lot we know about the exact charges. We expect we might hear more from the Attorney General and from the Justice Department soon, whenever they decide to make public the charges that are to be announced. But we do know, obviously, that they, as you could hear from that briefing just now at the Pentagon, they're treating this as a criminal matter. They believe that there's some serious national security damage that has been done by the exposure of these documents. The Washington Post said that there's as many as 500 documents that they had seen on various platforms, including on these chat rooms, Discord, which is a gaming platform. And so that's, of course, now in the hands of the Justice Department and prosecutors who are going to be bringing the federal charges against this young man. Again, 21-year-old Jack Teixeira, 21 years old, member of the Massachusetts Air National Guard. Again, those are pictures, we believe, of Teixeira being taken into custody by the FBI and by the investigators there who've been working this case frantically over the last few days.